Guys, welcome back. As you watch in previous tutorial, we have used end gap and trim extend to make this beautiful image. Now we in weldment. Now this is time to understand or learn the gusset. So what is the use of the gusset? It is basically used to give the support our weld part. Okay, so just click on gusset, select the two faces over here, and you can see the preview of the gusset. Now you can increase or decrease the dimension length. I'm taking the default value of the 25, that is and you can also making the triangular or this type of the profile. Okay, I'm prefer to you that to use the triangular profile, not this is called as a polygonal profile. Okay, no problem. That is thickness. If you want this one side, you can see it is going to be one side, and this is other side, right side, left side, and this is middle. And location, that is same as before. Okay, now this is the thickness as your requirement. I'm taking the default, it is 5 mm. You can also the offset. Okay, you can see this is going to be offset from the center, that is 5 mm. I'm uncheck this offset and just click on OK. Our gusset has been created. You can also select the multiple faces over here. For that, just again click on gusset, select this face and click on OK. It's very simple. In surface or sheet metal, this is very hard. That is the here the option of the gusset is this sheet metal gussets. We have learned this sheet metal gussets in sheet metal tool tutorial. If you have not watched, please watch this to better understanding. So now it's time to use the weld bead. Weld bead is the nothing but the representation of welding. Not it will not make the welding part or weldings. So I want to make here. So just click on edges which you want, or you can also this also select the face or the surface over here. Now you can see the preview of the this part has been going to be weld. So if you want the complete weld part, okay, you can see weld geometry. So that is I want the throw all weld. Okay, I want this all around, you can see over here, and just you can give the radius of 20 mm, or you can change, you can customize it here and just click on OK. By clicking on OK, you will find the one representation of weld over here. You can see it is 20. If you double tap on this 20, you can see the uh, ISO weld symbol, that is a representation of the this is a nothing but the information of our weld. Okay, it is very helpful in the welding part. Okay, you can see, just click on OK. I think you are going to be learn more about the weldments of weldment feature, that is weld bead and gusset. Now second one, this is the extrude cut. It is very simple and as simple and same as before we have used the in feature, that is extrude cut. This is nothing but the extrude cut of the feature. Okay, no problem. But in sheet metal, this is different. This extrude cut and normal cut is different. Okay, now what is remaining, whole wizard is the same in which we have used in feature tool. Okay, here you can see and now this is time to learn the chamfer. So just click on chamfer, I will explain you. Select these edges. Okay, there's a type of the chamfer, that is tangential propagation, full preview, partial preview, and also there's a overdefined and custom more customization over here. Okay, I am taking this of a chamfer of 2 mm and just clicking on OK. You can also change the direction. I'm clicking on OK. You can see it will make the tangential chamfer. See, because there is a tangential propagation has been selected. This is default selection. Okay, if I unselect this, only one edge will be chamfered. You can see what is the difference between the tangential and without tangential value. I prefer the tangent propagation. Okay, and click on OK. I think you have learned many more about the weldments and its feature, that is structure member, trim extended, end cap, gusset, weld bead, whole wizard, chamfer, and many more. Okay, thank you for watching this tutorial. If you are new, please subscribe to my channel to grow me ahead. If there is any doubt and any suggestion to me from yourself, please comment me. I will definitely improve myself. If you want all these tutorial in Hindi, you can ask me. I will definitely make the tutorial in Hindi also. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye.